Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Learn English with Marufa. Today we're going to learn some problematic words where we make a mistake when we pronounce this word. So very first one is procedure. We're used to pronounce this word procedure, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is procedure. Procedure. Okay. Next one is Asia. We're used to pronounce this word Asia, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is Asia. Asia. Next one is knowledge. Right pronunciation knowledge. Knowledge. Next one is chaos or chaos, something like that. But right pronunciation is chaos. Chaos. Next one is law. We are used to pronounce this word law, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is law. Law. Next one is entrepreneur or entrepreneur, something like that, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is entrepreneur. 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 Next one is pleasure. Pleasure. We are used to pronounce this word pleasure, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is pleasure. 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 Next one is different. We are used to pronounce this word different, but this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is different. 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 Next one is vision. Vision. This is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is vision. 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 There is a z sound here. Okay. Next one is measure. Measure. But this is wrong pronunciation. Right pronunciation is measure. 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 So that's all for today. To know more, please do subscribe my channel and join with me. Thank you.